Howdy freeze dryers. Today is my proudest moment in freeze drying. We've been working behind the scenes for months, and today I can finally announce that the Freeze Drying Cookbook website is free for all members. No more subscription, no recurring fees. It's completely free. Free! The freeze drying community has now grown to over 360,000 members across Facebook and YouTube. And as we grow, we believe this knowledge should be accessible to everyone. So we decided to take action. Over the past few years, we have spent thousands of hours building and perfecting this site. We didn't just make it free, we rebuilt the site to make it way more user-friendly. Here's what you'll find. The site has a whole new look with a fresh design that's easier to navigate. You'll get access to over 450 freeze drying recipes, and it continues to grow. Each of the recipes has a downloadable PDF, and most have instructional videos to go along with them. Each of the recipes has freeze drying techniques, tips, and step-by-step guidance to help you get the best results. We've also improved the search function with better filtering so you can find answers fast whether you're looking for specific ingredients or keywords. This site is not just freeze drying recipes. We also have a section called the Freeze Drying Learning Center. In there you'll find all the most important topics for freeze drying, including choosing the right freeze dryer, storage and packaging, maintenance and troubleshooting, and everything in between. Each category has instructional videos to guide you through your journey. There's also a section where you can submit a recipe to share with the community, and don't forget the freeze drying giveaway that we have monthly, where you can throw your name in the hat to win some great freeze drying prizes. So you're probably asking yourself, why is this free? Because these days, nothing is free. And recently I celebrated my 8-year anniversary on YouTube, and it gave me a chance to kind of look back and reflect on those 8 years. Since 2017, your encouragement, feedback, and passion have driven us forward, and now it's time to give back in a big way. The Freeze Drying Cookbook is proudly supported by the freeze drying community and Freeze Drying Supplies, our family-owned business that helps keep this community and its free resources running. So how do you get access to the site? All you have to do is go to freezedryingcookbook.com. If you're on a desktop, click the person icon in the upper right-hand corner, enter in your name, email, and a password, and you will get instant access to everything on the site with your login. If you're on a mobile device, click the 3 stacked lines on the upper left-hand corner, press sign up, enter your name, email address, and password, or if you already have an account, you can just press log in. Once you're in, that's it. It's that easy. No payment information is needed, and once you log in, you have full access to everything. Nothing is hidden or requires payment and is 100% free. So whether you've been with us since 2017 or you just bought your first freeze dryer, you are the reason this community exists. So jump on the site. We know you're gonna love it. And when it comes to freeze drying, we want you to think of 3 things: the freeze drying community, freeze drying supplies, and the Freeze Drying Cookbook. Together, they make up the most complete and trusted resource there is for freeze drying. So what are you waiting for? Sign up for the cookbook today, and happy freeze drying.